Hello and welcome to What's Cooking Good Looking. My name is Zanzibar Sontontinalis. I'm Finnish with a Spanish father, so that's the reason why my name is so exotic. Today we are making pasta with pesto chickpeas. Let's get started to it, shall we? You start by boiling pasta for 4 persons. This is for 5 persons, but yeah, I'm hungry. But you set the alarm 2 minutes earlier than you're supposed to. Oh God, I forgot about. I need to put salt in this. But anyway, because they shouldn't be ready because they get soggy. My English is fantastic today. In another much bigger pan, you add 2 rinsed and drained jars or cans of chickpeas. You add 4 deciliters of vegan cream. Then it's time to add 2 grated or crushed or whatever garlic cloves, but I of course will be adding a little bit more. Then it's time to thinly slice 8 sun-dried tomatoes. Then you add that to the garlic, the cream and the chickpeas. And then lastly you add 2 tablespoons of vegan pesto, not 2 vegan tablespoons of pesto. And when the pasta is almost done, you subtract 2 minutes, you drain them. And then you add it to the sauce. And the thing is now, it's supposed to sort of get ready in the sauce. I guess that would be sort of yummy. And then you leave the pasta to cook for another 2-3 minutes till it's done. 2 minutes later and it's supposed to be done. I tell you, is it? I'm not sure. It's done. It needs salt, needs pepper, but it's done. Here we go, some salt and pepper. Here we go. Oh, let's have a piece of something else. Okay. Thank you for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing and following. It really helps, and something to do with the internet and the algorithm, I think. So thank you so much.